How to get and install Vidmate on PC or laptop. Now in this quick video, I'll show you how you can download and install Vidmate using your PC or your laptop. The Vidmate is actually available for App Store or any application store that is exclusively for devices only. If you would like to download this, then all you have to do is to use an emulator. Open up your preferred web browser, but on this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome, and then just simply type in bluestacks.com. BlueStacks is somewhat like similar to a Google Play Store or App Store where you can use and run them using your PC or laptop. Click this option here that says download BlueStacks and it will automatically be downloaded onto your PC or laptop. Have it install like usual or the general way of installing any files on your PC or laptop, and then look for Vidmate once you pull up BlueStacks. And that is how you get and install Vidmate on your laptop or PC.